Vidmatrix Review Demo Tutorial and Bonus. What is Vidmatrix? Vidmatrix is a 5-in-1 cloud-based video builder software that create these types of videos. 1. Logo intro and outro. 2. Facebook and YouTube promotion videos. 3. Live action videos. 4. Whiteboard videos. And 5. Slides. It also included all these features, 50+ templates to help you get started right now. Professionally designed templates help you create stunning and jaw-dropping 2D logo intros, 3D logos, animated logo, whiteboard logos, colorful logos, live mockups, slideshows and promos. Inbuilt music library, royalty-free background music. It's painful to see your video being blocked or worse, you being asked to take it down because of a copyright strike. Choose the music files directly from the massive Vidmatrix library of thousands of soundtracks for a hassle-free video creation experience. Create 2D logo intros, 3D logos, animated logo, whiteboard logos, colorful logos. There's hardly a limit that you can place on the importance of stunning logos you need. Vidmatrix helps you turn a once headache-giving task to an instant money-making machine by selling it for whatever price you want and making a quick, easy and massive ROI. Now is the perfect time to start a video marketing and logo designing company as a side hustle. Create amazing live action. Remember how businesses would invest in branding office stationery with their designs and giving these away to customers and prospective clients as freebies, just to stay at the top of their minds. Live mockups serve the same purpose online today. Stunning slideshows and promos. Why spend $500,000 for something that you can create in minutes without running after creative freelancers? They are not creative, they just use multiple tools like the ones that are all included in Vidmatrix to do what you can now do with just one tool. In just 3 effortless steps, create such stunning videos from a single dashboard. Step 1. Edit the template. Step 2. Choose the music. Step 3. Hit render. Vidmatrix is an all-in-one video creation software. Do not miss the opportunity to get it at an affordable price now. I hope you liked the Vidmatrix review. Do click the link in the description to check out the offer and get it if the buy button is still available.